Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anis Natasha binti MAHADZIR and my matrix number is F59227. So here I am to give you the solution for case 2. From this case, we have to find the total finance charge and the effective interest rate, have to prepare the lease receivable schedule, and lastly, prepare the journal entry of the lessor. So, first thing first, we have to calculate the total finance charge and the effective interest rate. We have to separate in cash inflow, cash outflow, and net cash flow. So, the cash flow as given is 44,000. Next, the cash outflow only given for 2019. Which is 200,000. And lastly, how to get net cash flow? We have to cash inflow minus cash outflow. And we will get the net cash flow. So the total for cash inflow would be 220. Cash outflow 200,000. The net cash flow 220,000 minus 200,000, we will get 20,000. Okay, after we get the net cash flow, we have to find the effective interest rate by using internal rate return. Next, after we get the effective interest rate, we have to calculate the account borrow by using this formula. After that, the total of inflow have to minus the upfront payment, which is 220,000 minus 44,000. And we will get the finance charge. Okay, next. We have to prepare lease receivable schedule, which is have opening balance, interest, outstanding balance, installment, and closing balance. Firstly, we have to find the interest for 2019. Okay, the opening balance have to times with the interest. Next, for the outstanding balance, the opening balance plus the interest that we have calculated. And lastly, for the closing balance, the outstanding balance minus with the installment that given. And we will get the closing balance for 2019. Okay, the closing balance for 2019 is the opening balance for 220. Okay, for 2020 until 2022 is the same way as 2019. So we just repeat the same step. And we'll get the total. Okay. Lastly is the journal entry of the lessor. For 1st January 2019, we have to record the sales of motor vehicles, which is debit lease receivable and credit cash and unearned interest income. Besides, we have also to record the upfront payment received by debit cash and credit lease receivable. While for 31st December 2019, we have to record the interest income by debit unearned interest income and credit interest income. We also have to record installment received, debit cash, and credit lease receivable. So, for 31st December 2020 until 2022, we also have to record the interest income and the installment received the same way like 2019. So, I think that's all for me. Thank you.